Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. How are you guys doing? In this video, we're going to go over how to make your PS4 faster by doing a rebuilding of the database. So step 1 is to turn off your PS4. So make sure that you select the option to turn off your PS4. It will not work if you enter the rest mode. That's either done by going to the quick menu and selecting turn off PS4, or you can press and hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps, like I'm going to show you in the next clip. So the second beep just sounded, and as you can see on my TV, it says it's turning off. So that's what you want to see. Then you want to wait 30 seconds for the PS4 to turn off fully. Then what you want to do is press and hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps, just like how we turned off. So now what we're going to do is enter safe mode so that we can rebuild the database. Let me show you how to do that in this clip. As soon as you hear the second beep, just let go of the power button. And you will see connect the DualShock 4 using the USB cable. So get your PS4 USB cable, which came in the box, and then plug it into the PS4 and into the DualShock controller. This will not work wirelessly, so make sure that you plug it in. As you can see, mine is fully plugged in, so we're ready to go. So press the PS button and you'll see the safe mode screen. What we want to do is select option number 5, rebuild database. So it's right there, as you can see, and you just want to go down to it. And before you click on it, make sure that you've selected number 5, because some of the other options might also not be the ones that you want to do, like initializing the PS4. That's not what we want to do here. We just want to rebuild the database. This will not delete any of your data, and it won't really change anything on your PS4 besides making it faster by deleting the corrupted files on your PS4. And you know, you're not even going to use those corrupted files anyway because you can't open them, so not really an issue there. Anyway, as you can see, we selected that option, and now the PS4 is flashing its blue indicator light, and we can see the PlayStation logo on the TV. Let's see what's going to happen next. Now we see rebuild database. So if you see this, congratulations, you've done the process properly. If you see something else, then you might want to retry this. And if you get an error code, try searching it up on the web. But this is what you should be seeing. And as you can see, it says the remaining time. You know, I don't have too much stuff on my PS4, so it's going to take less time. You know, it's going to say it's going to take a few hours when you start it, like before you start it in safe mode, but you know, that's just them precautioning you. It's not really going to take that long, unless you have like a huge drive with, like, you know, your drive being full of games and stuff like that. But yeah, so this is exactly what you want to see. As you can see, I'm speeding it up right now, so it's going to take much more time than this, that's for sure. Like, mine took over a minute. And as you can see, it's about to finish. And now the screen is gone. The indicator light is now white, solid white, and it says welcome back to the PlayStation. So yeah, this is exactly what you guys want to see on your PS4. This means that you've done the process correctly, so good job on that. And then all you gotta do is just press the PS button, and you're good to go. And there is just one thing I want to tell you guys. When you first log into your PS4, all your games will be on the end of the list, so just want to let you know that. They'll also be in the library, but yeah, I just want to let you guys know. I don't want you guys to panic as soon as you log in and don't see any of your games or applications. Just move to the end of the list and you'll see them there. And that wraps things up for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.